Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change font style and size on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro and now you want to change font size or style on your Vivo phone, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down, look for display and brightness, select it, and here you will get the font style option, just tap on it. And here you'll get the different fonts which you have. You can easily download more fonts, the 7 download more, and you can easily download more. Here I have downloaded the 6 and fonts, and here's the system fonts. You have to select which you want to. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, then select apply. In this way you can easily change your font style. But now I'm going to change size of font. So let's see how can do this. You just have to scroll down, display and brightness, and here the font and display size, tap on it, and here you will get the font size option. Just move it to increase or decrease font size in your phone. So that's how you can easily uh, re- customize your font size or style in your Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.